We'll show you how easy it is for anyone to have a real live and interactive AI conversation with any website and any content found on that website, including articles, documents, journals, or studies. I'll put the prompt I'm using in the description. We'll then show you how to do a review of any book, article, or document. First, log into DocReader AI to access our interactive AI chatbot. We'll start by reviewing the content from these 4 websites: Car and Driver, Engadget, CDC, and Bleacher Report. It literally only takes 3 seconds. First, we'll have a detailed conversation with Car and Driver's website. Second, we'll have a detailed conversation with Engadget's website. Third, we'll have a detailed conversation with the CDC's website. And lastly, we'll have a detailed conversation with the Bleacher Report's website. For the second part of this video, we'll show you how you can do a review of any book, article, or document in seconds. For this example, we'll do a review on 2 books. The books were obtained from the Project Gutenberg website, which are available free to the public. The specific prompt I'll be using will also be in the description. That's it. Follow our social media as we continue to expand our AI technology for the world to use. Having a personal chatbot in your pocket will literally change your personal and professional life. AI is the next chapter of the technological evolution. Similar to the invention of the telephone, the computer, and smartphone, AI is here to stay. Denying it is crazy, and it's only the beginning. Get used to it or get left behind. Visit our website today at DocReader AI for a free trial. Join thousands who are embracing AI to control their future.